Magic spray. They just fall off. It's so slimy. Look at that one dancing. I was like, I'm not giving up that easy.
You.
Whoa. This is the granddaddy. Does it have two mouths?
Got the Asian inchworm here, taking the blood meal. We walked through the forest, I guess because it rained, and there were literally like dozens of these on each one of our legs. You can see them getting fatter. So I can feel it stinging right now. He's getting a nice little meal. Let's flick him off and do his thing.